Okay, so this is the second part of the last video because the like the software which I use to record Bandicam only has 10 minutes for free, so I'll better check on that as well. So sorry if I interrupted. So I was actually wasn't sure where we were, so I'm gonna guess you were somewhere over this part. I'm guessing. So you gotta do the H1 and slash H1, and you can take a minute to screenshot for future reference. We're not gonna look at this today. That's for something else. So where I was, and I didn't know you were seeing, was this part. So I went to the assets and I got this image. So you can upload the image you want and then click on it and then copy this URL by pressing copy. So I already have. Then you paste it with this sort of setup with the slash on the end, with no like image slash image. So now the paragraph is pretty much gonna be what you want to type in. So I'll just type in something very quickly. Okay, so I'll type it. I don't know what I'm typing, I'm just... Okay. And you can also like do full stops and all your punctuation as well. So you probably know what DuckDuckGo is anyway. That's not problem. So I'll just write that for now. You can write how much you want, just as long as it's in the P thingy, the P keys, the P like elements. Now what we're gonna do is flip on the body, the hashtag body. So because the body has now been finished, and HTML, and then we do this greater than less sign, then slash HTML. So that's the first part of it, and we're gonna see how it would look, how it will look. So that's the end to this video. So the part 1 video, like, it will be coming up. You can click on my channel and see how it see in my videos. It'll come there because Bandicam, well, we don't know what it can do. So, and then we're gonna finish with this. So what we're gonna do is now preview our website. But you also, so let's just change this title because it's not gonna be easy to remember. So we're gonna name it, I don't know, let's say brave dot no brave, seriously, okay, whatever. Oh my gosh, a lot of projects have names, huh? Let's just say name it something simple. I don't know. let's just name it Ammo369, which is probably another username I use in games. And that can be it. And then what we're gonna do is format it like this. It'll come something like this, and it looks beautiful when you do it. And so you gotta check if everything's done, and you can customize your title to whatever you want. Not gonna use style CSS today, leave that out. So, and now we're gonna just test it out. So we now press this button show with this glasses, then we say you can do show in a new window, your website, and then it'll come like this. Whoops. It only has page. It won't come like this because it's not. It doesn't have a page 2, page 3 yet. So I mean, you can copy all of these parts. I mean, if you want, because it's not really gonna make a difference. And this is basically how it looks when you're writing everything and stuff. And this is how it looks when you format it. Yeah, so you can write all of this in if you want, because that's going to be related to the next video. And we're going to just see our website. So it comes something like this with the Brave logo. You can customize how big it is. So I think it's a bit big. I'll just do 300. Now reload. Oh yeah, whoops. I have to format it. Formatting. Okay. Well, you can change how big it is, and yeah, that's pretty much for today. That's what we're gonna be we focused at. So you can try this on Notepad as well, just for a reminder, and make sure to you know what, I just say in the description, just check the description and kindly write a comment, because I just like improving and getting a bit of info from people. So let's just, oops, why did I have to do that? So now it'll be all saved. Now the title, I forgot to remind you. So the title, it will be coming your own title, and then you have to write after your title .glitch.me. So as you saw on my webpage, it says .glitch.me, and I'll type my website in the description for how it would look at the end. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and okay, that's pretty much it. So I'll see you in the lesson 2.